Good morning, my dear tiny tots. How are you today? I hope you all are good. Now tell me, children, what did we learn yesterday? Yes, yesterday we revised letters I, J, K, and L. So today we will again revise letters I, J, K, and L. And we will do an activity. Hey children, which picture is this? Yummy, yummy ice cream. Ice cream starts with letter I. I for ice cream. Look children, capital I, small I, mama I, baby I for ice, cool cool ice. I for iron. I for insect. I for ink pot. And I for yummy yummy ice cream. Look children, which picture is this? Joker. Joker. J for Joker. Joker starts with letter J. Capital J, small j, mama J, baby J. J for jacket. J for jam. J for jug. J for jeep. And J for joker. Look children, which picture is this? Yes, kite. Kite starts with letter K. K for kite. Capital K, small k, mama K, baby K. K for kangaroo. K for king. K for kettle, जिसमें हम गरम गरम चाय भरते हैं. And K for kite. Look children, which picture is this? Lamp. Lamp starts with letter L. L for lamp. Capital L, small l, mama L, baby L. L for ladder. L for leg. L for lemon. L for lion. Lion जंगल का राजा होता है. L for lady's finger. L for lamp. Now it's time for an activity. Children, in this activity, there are so many objects in this chart. So, we are going to put the appropriate letter each object. Let's start. Which picture is this? Yes, cow. C for cow. Cow starts with letter C. So we will stick the letter C near the cow. Look children, what are these? Red apples. Apples starts with letter A. So we will stick the letter A near the apples. Look children, what are these? These are insects. Insects starts with letter I. I for insects. So we will stick the letter I near the insects. Hey, colorful butterflies. Butterflies starts with letter B. B for butterfly. So we will stick the letter B near the butterflies. Which picture is this? Lotus. Lotus starts with letter L. L for lotus. So we will stick the letter L near the lotus. Look children, what is this? Small kitten. Kitten starts with letter K. So we will stick the letter K near the kitten. Look children. Yes, very good. This is a fish. Fish starts with letter F. So we will stick the letter F near the fish. Look children, which animal is this? Yes, horse. Horse starts with letter H. So we will stick the letter H near the horse. Now tell me children, which animal is this? Jackal. Jackal means lomdi. Jackal starts with letter J. J for jackal. So we will stick the letter J near the jackal. Look children, which bird is this? Yes, this is a duck. Duck starts with letter D. D for duck. So we will stick the letter D near the duck. Look children, green grass. Grass starts with letter G. G for grass. So we will stick the letter G on the grass. Look children, white X. X starts with letter E. E for X. So we will stick the letter E near the X. E for X. Now again repeat. A for apples. B for butterflies. C for cow. D for duck. E for eggs. F for fish. G for grass. H for horse. I for insects. J for jackal. K for kitten. L for lotus. Children, I hope you enjoyed this activity. You can do it at your home with the help of your parent. Now it's time for worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to find out the small letter which matches with given capital letter in each box. We have to find small letter and circle it. Right, children? Look, children. Which letter is this? Capital I. So, we will find small I. Children, is this small I? Yes. So, we will circle it. Next. Which letter is this? Yes. Capital J. So, is this small j? No. Is this small j? Yes. So, we will circle it like this. Next, capital K. We will find small k. Children, is this small k? No. Is this small k? No. Is this small k? Yes. So, we will circle it. Next, capital L. So, we will find small l. Children, is this small l? No. Is this small l? Yes, correct. So, we will circle it. I hope you all have done it very nicely. Bye-bye, kids. Have a nice day.